In this video, I will show you how to enable Google Chat in Gmail in an Android phone. First of all, open Gmail. Then at the top left corner, you will see these three lines. Click on it. Scroll down till the end until you find Settings. Then click on it. Here, click on the Gmail account that you want to enable chats on. Scroll down below until you find General, and right below it you will find Chat. Click on it. Now you will be sent back to the Gmail home screen. Click on this three-line icon at the top left corner. Scroll down till the end, go to Settings. Click the Gmail account. Now you can see various chat settings are also open here. Click on Chat Notifications. Here you can enable or disable chat notification. You can even enable or disable reaction notification in your chat messages. After that, you can also choose notification sound. And if you scroll more below, you'll find various other settings like Smart Compose in Chat, Smart Reply in Chat, and also Manage Blocked Users in Chat. You can customize all of these settings as per your choice. And that's it. That's how you can enable Google Chat in your Gmail in an Android phone. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.